First impressions on LinkedIn really, really count. And what is your first impression? Well, generally it's your profile. People will have a look at your profile and they'll think, okay, is this somebody I want to talk to further? Is this somebody I want to connect to? Is this somebody I want to do business with? So what can we do to make our profile a good first impression? Well, first of all, update it on a regular basis. I update my profile every single quarter. I have a look through it and I think what's still relevant, what's not. Is there something new I might want to put in the featured section? Do I want to change my heading? Do I want to put a different banner up? And talking of banners and the top part of your profile, the first thing that people see on your profile is they see your banner. So have you got a banner? Is it a good banner? Is it clear? Is it uncluttered? Does it quickly let someone who looks at it know exactly what you do and who you do it for and how to contact you? Do you have a clear head and shoulders picture? Do you have a good heading? Not one of those arty-farty headings that say, I help people become a better version of themselves. I mean, what does that mean? But a clear heading letting people know what you do, who you do it for, what benefit it might have to them. Is every part of your profile filled in? Do you have a good about section? Do you have a good featured section with some latest samples of your work or some good lead magnets on it? Is your work section completed? You know, have you got media on your work section? Do you have your references up to date? Have you got some recent references? Have you given some recent references? Are there good keywords in your profile so people can actually see your profile and find it? The whole point of a profile is that it's written with your ideal customer in mind, not for you, but for them. So go back and take a look at your profile. Is it written with your ideal customer in mind? Does it tell people, this is who I am, this is what I do, this is who I do it for, and this is how it helps them? And does it also give them a little bit about you as a person so that they can build that a bit, feel a bit of rapport with you and feel a bit of a trust with you? And are you updating it on a regular basis? Because first impressions count on LinkedIn, and there is no point in putting a fantastic post out there or making a fantastic connection if your profile is rubbish and they're going to come and look at it.